It's been 8 days that we are in lockdown and I'm extremely bored. Today I have decided to cook, to kill my time and make something for my family. By the way, I cook really well. Yeah, one of my talents. I have decided to cook garlic chicken. It's very easy and delicious. Kitchen is occupied, so let's go to the terrace and see what we can do. Shh, follow me. I have decided this place to cook, so I need a stove here. I got this emergency stove. For garlic chicken I need some garlic, some salt, some chili powder, some coriander powder and cumin, mixed spices, some oil, tomato paste, chicken in medium-sized pieces. Okay guys, let's start. I have put some oil in it. It's like 2 cups of oil, 1.5 cup you can say. Okay, now I'm putting garlic in it. It's like 1.5 bulb of garlic.
After it gets a little bit red, I will gonna put chicken in it. Let's put chicken in it.
I will gonna steam it for like 3-4 minutes or like 5 minutes, and then I will gonna put some other ingredient. After 2 to 3 minutes I just open it. It's almost cooked. Now I will gonna put other ingredients in it. First of all, I will gonna put these tomatoes in it. It's tomato paste, it's like 500 grams tomato, and if you want more gravy you can put more tomatoes as much as you like. Stir it well. After that, add some salt in it. Like it's about taste, but like 1.5 spoon. Chili powder, almost 1.5 spoon. Coriander powder and some cumin. Mix them well. You can see the oil is coming up onto the surface and it's boiling, so we need to cook it a little bit more to get it a little bit thicker because it's too much thin. Oil is coming up, so I want to make the chicken more soft, so I can just put the lid on. So give it some steam. It will be about like 2 minutes. That will be enough for 3 minutes. Now when it's almost ready, I just want to put the all spices in it. Mix all spices. You can see the chicken is cooked, so I'm just gonna give it 2 more minutes and then it will be ready to serve.
Now it's ready to serve.
So friends, this dish is really easy to make and you can make it in like 30 to 35 minutes. I hope you are having a good time in your quarantine. be happy, and make other people happy. See you next time. Until then, bye bye.